Want to buy Bitcoin and altcoins in 2025 but don't know where to start? Stick around because in this video, I'll walk you through the easiest step-by-step method to buy crypto safely. Plus, I'll reveal a secret way to earn free crypto bonuses just for signing up. Let's dive in. 2025 is gearing up to be a massive year for crypto. Bitcoin's next halving has already happened, institutional adoption is growing, and new altcoins are popping up with insane potential. But before you jump in, you need to know where and how to buy crypto the right way without getting scammed. If you're serious about making money in crypto, hit that subscribe button and join Crypto Income Secrets, where we drop weekly tips on the best coins to buy, trading strategies, and exclusive bonuses. The safest and easiest way to buy Bitcoin and altcoins in 2025 is through a trusted exchange like Binance. Why Binance? Lowest fees in the market, hundreds of altcoins available, staking and earning options for passive income, and super secure with two-factor authentication and insurance. But here's the best part. If you sign up using my link below, you'll get a special bonus, up to $100 in free crypto just for depositing and trading. Check the description for my exclusive Binance sign-up link. Don't miss out on free money. Step 1. Sign up on Binance. Go to Binance.com, link in description. Enter your email and create a strong password. Verify your identity, KYC, required for security. Step 1. Sign up on Binance. Go to Binance.com. The link is in the description. Enter your email and create a strong password. Verify your identity, also known as KYC, as it's required for security. Step 2. Deposit money, whether it's fiat or crypto. Click on deposit and choose your method: bank transfer, credit card, or crypto. Make sure to deposit at least $50 to qualify for bonuses. Step 3. Buy Bitcoin or altcoins. Go to trade and then spot. Search for BTC, ETH, SOL, or any altcoin you're interested in. Choose market. Buy for an instant purchase or limit. Buy to set your price. Enter the amount and confirm your purchase. Step 4. Secure your crypto by moving it to a wallet. Never leave crypto on exchanges long-term. Withdraw to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, or a trusted hot wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Want to maximize profits? Stake your crypto on Binance and earn up to 20% APY passively. Now that you know how to buy, here are 3 pro tips to make the most of your crypto journey in 2025. 1. Dollar cost average. Don't buy all at once. Spread purchases to reduce risk. 2. Research altcoins. Look for projects with real utility, strong teams, and growing communities. 3. Follow Crypto Income Secrets. We expose hidden gems and trading strategies weekly. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. And remember, if you want free bonus crypto, sign up on Binance using my link below. You'll get exclusive rewards just for joining. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where I'll reveal 3 altcoins set to explode in 2025. Don't miss it. Until then, happy trading.